Hello friend, welcome back. This is the second video of our Swift UI tutorial. This is Golden Thumb. Um, in this video, we'll play with the different properties of this view, the text object. Okay. Oh, by the way, if we want to change the simulator on the preview area, right? We can do it like that. Select this one. For example, if we want to show iPod Touch 7th generation, we can do that. You see, it looks different, right? And let's go back to this one. Yeah. How do we know this view is a protocol instead of a struct or a class, right? We can hold on Option key. We can check the, yeah, you see, when we hold on Option key and move the mouse over this view thing, it shows an icon of question mark. Click. Now we can read the very variable and documentation, right? So summary, this is it's a protocol. It's a protocol. This protocol requires a single variable body, which returns another view, and let's make it simple. We don't need that. So what is this guy, right? This is the view we returned for this body property. So actually it's a shortcut for this one, return. They are saying, right? Since this is the only thing we return, and yeah, so we can get rid of this. If we run it, yeah, everything should be same. Yeah, scribe, it helps. Yeah, thank you, friend. Okay, so let's remove that. So let's say if we want to change the font weight of that, right? We can do that. Font weight. Yeah. So bold. If we press dot, we can have some other options here. Bold, heavy, light, medium, regular, bright. Let's use bold. Okay. So let's make it even bigger here. This is a function call. It's to change the property, one of the properties of the text. It's called a modifier. Okay. We can change that. So actually the whole thing returns an object of view or text. Okay. And let's try another one. What about heavy? Yeah, we didn't see much difference here. And what about another one? Like, let's select a font title. Okay, let's see, enter. Not very big. Let's try a large title. You see, do we need sometimes we need to click the review resume. Oh, okay. So what about this? Yeah, and undo, Command Z. Put it back. Cool. And you see, we can change the modifiers one by one. So we can also have a better format like that. Enter, right? One by one. What about the color? Dot. And foreground color. So blue, yeah. What about red? Cool. What else we can change? Well, let's see if we can change this one to a different font. Okay, let's go to system font, size. Yes, we can make a large title. Big. Let's try it again. System. Oh, let's use this one. So large title, design, rounded. Let's see. Oh yes, you see it's rounded, right? Looks beautiful. This way of setting the font size is a feature called dynamic type in iOS. With that, if we change the setting, right, the iOS setting for the text size, the iOS will adjust the actual size, the final size of the text automatically based on the setting and this configuration here. There's another way to set the size, okay, using the specified size. For example, what about 20? Oh, that's small, right? So this way, yeah, it means we hard coded 30 points, right? Points. It is related to the pixels, right? On the screen. So 30 points. That's the size. Now it's not. We are not using dynamic type in this setting. So it's always 30 points. Okay. What about a dynamic? What about a custom font? We can use custom here. Dot custom name. Okay, a string. Size. Let's put 20 here or 25. How can we find the name, right? The valid name of our font. There's an app in Mac OS called Fontbook, like that. Okay. So there are a lot of font here, right? You can, let's say, fixed width one, Courier. We can search that here. Courier, like that. Okay, let's use this one. Courier. Courier. Yeah, this works. So if we remove, yeah, I think it will use a default font here if the system cannot find this name. Okay, and yeah, this is a fixed width one, right? What about that? Okay. I think there's an another one. like this guy, Arial. Okay, let's try that. Oh, it's not bad. Okay, let's run it. Cool. So that's it for today. See you next time.